Say it's a grand old team to play for. Say it's a grand old team to... Don't know, that's like... Is his phone now? Defunk his bag. This is Manny and Jack's operation number 1. Defunking on Martin Pryor's bag. Go Manny, quick, we're on YouTube. Go, go, go. Fucking get them all out. Get them all out. Go quick, he'll be away. Go ahead, Manny. Okay, give me books, give me books. Right, folder, gay books.
Mason men.
Mason men. Of Mason men.
Mate, it's impossible.
No, just do it. Mate, this is what you do. What does he have in his bag? Fucking 3D wrapper. Fucking get you out of the road, you. Come on, please. Please. What is that? What's that attached to? Fuck off. Manny, go do it. Just do it. Trust me. Go, I'll record you. Speed time. 1, 2, 3. It's done. It's done. It's done. Quickly, mate. I'll tell you if he's coming. I'll tell you if he's coming. Look, I have 2 hands.
He's not coming. Manny, wee bladder, wee dick.
Wee dick. Oh fuck. Wee dick, Manny. Oh, quick, Manny. Quick. Yes, go. Feed the books in. Feed them like you feed your first love. Fuck. Quickly, Manny. Quick. There's his BlackBerry charger. Oh my god. Make you fucking ringing. There's a fucking fuck these classics. Fuck these classic earphones. Fuck it. Somewhere. Just throw us back. So go look at you here. Dick. Marty Pryor dick. Marty Pryor king dickhead. And now we'll wait for him to come back. Where is he?
Sorry.
I'm just recording some boy that looks like Daniel Boyd. Daniel Boyd over in the corner. Daniel, is that you? DB. Dan Boyd neither. Wank DB. WankDB.com. Mate, how do you feel it with just defunct Marty Pryor's bag in under 4.5 seconds? And there he is, stepping up to the challenge. What's the reaction? What? Why what? Why happy are you with your Christmas presents?
Marty Christmas.
Fuck this code out the window.
These are fruits.
What are we?
Fruits.
Wee. You're gutted. Raging, so he is.